Look at that. It's one of the biggest truck stops in the world. The Iron Skillet Joplin Petro, Joplin 44. Oh yeah, and they are expanding. Look at this place, huh? Let's go top off our fuel and go for a walk, stretch our legs. They got the Chromeshop Mafia across the street. The Chromeshop Mafia! So, we're out here. Let's take a closer look, huh? Look at all these fiberglass Peterbilt hoods they got. Some guy's installing his parts already. Yeah, let's go inside the Chromeshop Mafia. Oh, looks like they got all kinds of hoods. And look, they're loading one up on a tiny trailer. Uh-oh. This is going to be a good YouTube video. Oh, man, I'm just in time. Oh, yeah, got to lift it up a little bit. Oh, yeah. What'd you buy? Yeah. Are these any good, these fiberglass ones? Apparently. They're a lot heavier than I thought they were going to be. Oh, a lot heavier. Okay, let's watch the pin. Right there. We need to pick this up. Just going to have to get it off that. Uh-oh. You guys trying to load them? Yeah, wait a minute. The bottom piece is already up underneath the floor. You have to lift it up and over this floor. Well, I can't waste all my time watching them. See, people show up in Chevys to take their Peterbilt hood home. Let's go see what they got inside. Chromeshop and accessories. Yeah. Oh, just in time. Chromeshopmafia.com. Let's see what they got here. Wow, it's been a while since I've been here. What we got here? Look at this, huh? Wow, beautiful lights. Look at that. So, what do they got? Bell housings. They have fifth wheel adapters, huh? Available for several more applications. I'm still blind from the LED light. Look at that, AC condensers, 95 bucks. What is that? Front engine cover for Cummins. Exhaust manifold for Cat, Cummins, whatever you want, huh? What is all that chrome? I just want to see everything in here. Look at that model truck, huh? A nice GMC. Chromeshop Mafia, yeah. Oh, what this little remote control truck. So, let's keep walking. We don't have much time, but one of the guys said he might show us around. Chromeshop Mafia. Look, they got the Gorilla shifter. Oh my goodness. Just $400 for this custom steel Gorilla shifter. What do you think? How would I look shifting this thing? But. Oh, the handle falls right off. Careful, buddy. High, low range. This thing's like, if you sit on the floor like this, yeah. Look at that. What's up? Like that? Is that how it works? I was just doing a demonstration for you. Don't get too excited, huh? Look, you got every kind of seat you want. What else? Refrigerator. Every truck needs a refrigerator. Yeah. What else? Sleeper cab. Aluminum construction, huh? Engineered to last. Look at that. So you can see the camera in the reflection. Let's take a closer look. Yeah, look at that bed, huh? So, heart window option. Different window options available. Retro windows. So this is the front of it. As you can see, you just walk right in. Got a little closet on both sides. Drawer that slides out. Another drawer. A safe, right? Or is that a fridge? What? It's like a fridge. It's a little mini fridge. Look at that. Look at that. It's a fridge. Dome-matic. Another closet on this side. Yeah, not bad. Aluminum sleeper bunk. What else do they have here? These side lights, look. $256 for these row of lights. I hope they give you two. Fitz Pete 389s. Got radiators. Oh yeah, LED hood. What do you got? The black rubber duck. Look at that, huh? Quack quack. You got LED lights. Whatever you want. That's what a gorilla shifter looks like in the truck. You got a train horn. Flat top conversion kits. Suicide doors. Look at that. There's a gorilla shifter. Look at the dashboard on this, huh? Как вам нравится? What else do they got in here? Every kind of rear window visors. Every kind of LED light. Trim. Reflective. Look at that. Fender brackets. Visors. Everything you need. And don't need. Whoa, yeah, look at these 10-inch exhaust kits. Look at those bad boys. Huh? Here they got every kind of exhaust you want. West Coast turnout flat. Flat stock. East Coast turnout and West Coast turnout. You got your divider. So yeah, all the exhaust pieces you want here. By the way, my flexible pipe is bad on the Volvo, huh? But anyways, you could get your angles here. I wonder what the prices for these big ones are. Simulator covers. Maybe I should get the ones. Do they have the ones for hub covers like that? Weird. Bumpers, $600 or $800. These for $2,500. Train horns, $500. This one's $101. 3-bell train horn. Oh my goodness! I might just buy that. $100? Come on. That's just way too cheap. What else do they have? Aluminum fifth wheels. What? How about all these flashing lights? Get blinded again. Oh, these look really small. They're not working yet, but toolboxes. Oh, look at that. Wow. Those hoods. $3,200 for a hood. But I'm not sure how good. I don't know, that's pretty cheap, but David Kamas says they're low quality. How about these fuel tanks, huh? Freightliner 55-gallon fuel tank, $500. Very nice. $100 for a 100-gallon tank right there. Yeah, buy one of those or one of these. Oh yeah. What is that? 600? Hoods available for most models. What else do they have? Oh no. What happened there? Reefer tanks. Fenders. Yeah. These kind of fenders. Oh. How about this, huh? I think this is what you need to be playing with. Just kidding.
A rooster.
Yeah. What is that, huh? Keep an eye, aim the...
No. Okay.
So a duck is 169, huh? They're the black duck.
I seen one, a guy bought it. It was American flag duck. It was American.
Oh, yeah?
It was American flag. Yeah, it had the stripes and stuff on it. Looked like
Cool.
American flag.
You need some balls, bro.
Yeah.
I watched a documentary on that thing, actually. The guy made a lot of money.
Oh, yeah.
Nice chatting with you. Air helper springs. What else do they have here? Mattresses. What's this one? Oh, that's what I need. Or maybe one of these. Or one of these. Oh my goodness. That's blinding. How about these, huh? What are these called? They're like Peterbilt Mafia style lights. All kinds of lights like that. Two-way. Whatever you want. Light bars. Huh. I'm getting exhausted walking around this store. Here they have a heavy-duty air compressor and a tank for your auxiliary air horn if you don't have air. So you got a pressure switch. Yeah, cool. I think we're gonna take the 3-trumpet air horn right here for $100. Real beautiful steering wheels they got. Look over here, they got chrome tape adhesive and chrome polished hubcaps. That's what I need to get on the Peterbilt motorhome. Anyways, let's do what we're here to do. Spend. Gosh, forgive me for doing this, but I'm gonna buy this drain horn. We got my friend Spencer here.
How you doing?
What's the most common thing you guys sell? What's the top 10 products people come in here for?
Bumpers.
Bumpers.
Yep, bumpers and stacks.
Bumpers and stacks. How about those 10-inch stacks, the biggest ones? What
Man,
kind of prices are those?
And I would have to call for pricing on those.
But
we really don't have a vendor on the 10-inch stacks right now.
What do you think they could be? Just out of
If I'm guessing, I'm going to say 3,200,
3,200. Okay. How many train horns do you sell?
Oh man,
Like-
I have to look to see. God, personally today I've sold 5 sets.
Yeah, for $100.
Yeah.
Might as well give it to someone on YouTube.
Yeah, no doubt.
All right, thanks again.
Hey, thank
got
you.
on the truck.
$9.50.
$9.50, and it looks this clean.
Yeah.
You just wash it all the time. Never drive to Minnesota, huh?
Yeah.
That's
Well, I go everywhere. It's just I keep it clean.
almost a million miles, and you can still. Wow. Cool. So is it gonna happen? Is it all right if I make a video for YouTube?
Sure.
And of course, I got a train horn.
All right.
I mean, for $100, right? What? Because I haven't seen them for less than that ever. Would you hit something, huh?
Well, somebody hit me.
Someone hit you. Oh my goodness.
Party animals in Denver.
Party animals in Denver ran into you.
I don't know if he was drunk. I assume he
Holy
was,
moly!
'cause-
What was it?
Oh, just a little car.
How much did that cost? All of this? Look at that's gotta be.
I
What?
got about 1,500 in everything right now.
Yeah. It's a nicer bumper,
Yeah.
but now you got to buy all those lights.
Yeah, I got that too.
You got that too, huh?
Yeah.
How much you got in this rig?
All together.
Pretty nice.
All together, I got. I don't know, about close to 100,000.
Real nice and shiny, good frame. And I drive a Volvo. Yeah, nice guy getting his bumper fixed. Put on his new bumper and lights. He's got 900,000 miles on that Peterbilt. Can you believe it? He rebuilt the engine. He's got 100,000 miles on the new one. And I got 1.3 million on this. I got a little bit more miles, but it's running strong. Yeah, look at this guy all tricked out. Look at all those lights in the back, huh? Look at this Peterbilt coming up all tricked out, huh? With lights. Nice Kenworth W9 right there. Here he comes.